Today's feature is on the latest Tomica release for the month of August. We have the pair of Toyota Supra with regular and first color, and also the Hino Profia truck. The highlight is definitely on the GR Supra, but first let's take a closer look at the Hino Profia truck. Tomica has quite a number of Hino Profia truck over the years. This truck can be seen commonly in Japan, everywhere. A pretty basic casting with 6 wheelers without any Tomica suspension, die-cast body with an ABS trailer. What sets this casting apart from the other mainline is it does has an opening pass. The wing roof can be opened just like the previous Hino Profia casting. The Nippon Express truck interior is quite spacious, and that's pretty much about it. Next is the highly anticipated Toyota GR Supra. First impression, this Supra is pretty clean cut and looks pretty basic. I love the body color in red, and just like any other casting, it doesn't have any opening parts. It comes with the standard Tomica suspension. You can see the Toyota logo, the Supra logo type, and also the GR Gazoo Racing logo. This casting is pretty sleek. Too bad it doesn't have any opening parts, and with the lack of details for this mainline, it looks really basic. I know some of the collectors prefer the casting not to have any opening doors. It made them look more realistic, but this is the case. I hope that the GR Supra does have an opening door. Next is the GR Supra with the first color release. Unlike the regular version, the first color release is a one-time run. This time round, the specs are totally the same as the regular version, except for the body color that is different. The body color comes in silver, which is pretty basic. Nice paint job from Tomica as always, that's a plus point. In terms of aesthetic and features, the GR Supra is pretty basic. For the Toyota Supra lover, it's great, you can add that to your collection. But unlike the previous Nissan 2020 mainline, this casting doesn't give me the wow factor. Remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone, bye!